Val from MO. Now we are moving to quad 3 and small caps do not do well in quad 3. How do we square up all the recommended stocks in the call like Playboy, Boyd, Penn, etc., which I've slowly built positions in? Will pods trip the quad, or do we lighten up to smaller?
That last part of the question from Val in Missouri, and by the way, I'm playing some golf with the fine folks in Missouri. If you haven't played Paynes Valley, oh my, OMG. Every shot counted there. I had a good day with my son. Anyway, thank you for the question from Missouri. The pods do trump the quads. Don't forget that the pods gave birth to the quads. So the pods, for those of you that don't know, pods are the rate of change. Pod 1, pod 2, the two big ones. We don't go through all of them. But pod 2, this is the rate of change of revenue growth, and this is the rate of change of cash flow growth. So again, what generally happens is, the index will go down or underperform like the Russell's already been doing, but then systematically and asymmetrically, two big words, if you have a stock idea, like maybe Boyd, if Todd Jordan's right on Boyd, on D-Day, if they show this pod 1 acceleration, pod 2 acceleration, and you bought more at the low end of the range, you're going to get paid. You should get paid. You'd play that card all day long. It's like you wouldn't hit on a 6 in blackjack. That's the way that you play it. But taking down, so you look at your portfolio in quad 3, and I've been doing it, don't forget. So when I said, when I wrote in the early look, you don't have to have me make a call on small caps. You have to watch what I was doing in small caps. I was booking a bunch of losses in small cap ideas that weren't working. It's very similar to what I did when I sold gold for the last time when I was long it for 2 years in September. You learn something about losing in the position, right? We got some people who are like, oh, these analysts, there's rot underneath the core. It's like, no, the machine's smarter than you and I, dumbasses. I'm not calling you all that, some people. Maybe, maybe not. I'm a dumbass. Let's all be that way. Right?
I'm a dumbass a lot.
So,
sure.
No, it's the machine is saying, I don't want that exposure. It's hedge funds saying, hey, if you get one more of these wrong at our firm, you're fired.
Yeah.
Right, so you got to deal with the behavioral reality and get away from Captain Stock Pick. For a long time, 3 quad 2s in a row. Believe you and believe me, and even the guy who comes up with that when you shouldn't believe him ever. It was easy, right? Small cap stock picking? Oh yeah. Now it gets harder. So let's say that a third of the stock picks still work despite quad 3. That can absolutely happen. Because guess what? Small to mid cap stocks become big cap stocks if they grow organically. So you can also take the factor exposures that I talked about in the early look, which include quality and organic growth, which you want to be long in quad 3. Those companies, no matter what their market cap, should go up a lot. And you should get big buying opportunities in them because people are scared to buy them and or are not allowed to buy them because their bosses won't let them.